Hey, it's me again with the 2300M. So listen, I've showed you guys how to take these lights out. Again, I'm only one person, so I can't do both, but as you can see, bumper's still intact. Okay, I bought two brand new ones. Got them El Cheapo on eBay. So I'm not gonna be bullshitting around, buffing it and making it clean and clear. Besides, this one broke off inside anyways, and then this one broke off out here, so I had to use zip ties to keep it, lined up. So again, the only reason why I'm showing you this is just to show you don't have to replace the bumper to take the headlight out. And there's the part that locks the hood. All you gotta do is take the bolts out, set it up over out of the way. Bada boom, bada bing. Easy money.